Today I am preparing the chocolate daisy. Use 3 eggs, 125 grams of sugar, a packet of vanilla, 65 grams of potato starch, 65 grams of flour, and 15 g of cocoa. 30 grams of butter, half a tablespoon of honey, and 2 grams of yeast. I have already prepared the cake pan, greased and floured, and I have also placed a layer of parchment paper. I put a few eggs, sugar, a small amount of vanilla extract, and just a teaspoon of honey. To begin with, I carefully place all the necessary ingredients on the stove, ensuring that everything is heated to the perfect temperature. This includes gently warming the eggs and chocolate chips, which is crucial for achieving the right consistency later on. As the eggs and chocolate chips gradually warm up, I take the time to observe their transformation, ensuring they reach a state that is ideal for mixing. Once they are nicely whipped and fluffy, resembling soft peaks of a cloud, I proceed to the next step. I meticulously add the flour, potato starch, yeast, and cocoa powder, combining them all together with great care. This process is done very gently, and it is important not to disrupt the delicate balance of the mixture. I make sure to mix thoroughly, never stopping until everything is perfectly blended. After finishing the mixing and kneading, which requires a bit of patience and effort, I prepare the cake pan. I grease and flour it meticulously, ensuring that every corner is covered, and then line it with parchment paper for extra security. This step is crucial to prevent the cake from sticking and to ensure it bakes evenly. After the flour has been incorporated, I immediately add the butter, mixing it in with precision to achieve a smooth and cohesive batter. Now, with everything prepared, I place the mixture into the oven, preheated to 180 degrees Celsius. The baking process takes about 20 minutes, during which the cake rises and develops a beautiful golden brown crust. Once the time is up, the cake is ready to be taken out, filling the kitchen with a delightful aroma that signals its completion. Thank you all.